How to filter a Spark data frame by a Boolean column? I created a data frame that has the following schema. I want to select only the records with the open column that is true. The following command I run in PySpark returns nothing.
You're comparing data types incorrectly. Open is listed as a Boolean value, not a string, so doing yelp_df open equals true is incorrect. True is a string. Instead you want to do this correctly compares the values of open against the Boolean primitive true, rather than the non-Boolean string true.
For those who wonder how to write the opposite condition, when the column is false, it is done this way.
In Spark, Scala, I can think of two approaches. Approach 1, spark-sql command to get all the bool columns by creating a temporary U and selecting only Boolean columns from the whole data frame. However, this requires Boolean columns to be determined or sticking columns in from schema based on data type. Approach 2, filter the data frame if schema is defined.
Looks like you're on PySpark, from filters documentation. Filter condition. Condition is a column of type stop Boolean type or a string of SQL expression. Since open column Boolean, nullable equals true, the following works and avoids flake 8 E712 error. Yelp_df.filter Yelp_df open.collect.